Girls, how are you? How are you? So, today we are going to discuss about algebra. Say algebra. Algebra. Yes, when you are in grade 4, you learned about use of what? Use of letters. Use of letters. So, when we use letter, that is why we say, that is when we say we are algebra. So, today we are going to form what we call equation, or what we call algebraic equation. So, an equation is an expression with equal signs. I'm saying an equation is an expression with equal signs. For example, we can say in grade 5, let me give an example here. Example, we can say there are X boys and 2X girls in grade 5. Then we continue. We say if there are 60 learners in grade 5, how many girls are there How many girls are there in grade 5? So let us read the question. Let us read. Yes, we have what? We have X boys and 2X girls in grade 5. Yes? Yes. How many girls? How many girls are there in grade 5? So we do what we call, or we form what we call an expression. We form an expression. So boys, how many boys are here? X. How many girls? How many girls? Okay, how many girls? 2X girls. Yes. Then total wamesema total ni 60. So when we add this one, when we add X plus 2X, this is what we call expression. But when we add their equal signs, then we put there the total number of learners, which is 60. This is now an equation. Expression, then the whole of it is what we call equation. So we can move forward and simplify and find the total number of girls in that class. So we can add. When we take X plus 2X, what do we get? X plus 2X. X plus 2X. What do we get? Yes, we get 3X is equals to 60. Is equals to 60. Then from there we can simplify by dividing here by 3. You also divide the other side by 3. When we have 3 all over 3, 3 will cancel here. 3 will cancel with 3. We remain with x. We remain with x. Where? We remain with the x. Then 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3. Yes, 20. So x is 20. X is 20. X itakuwa 20. Then x was boys. We say the number of boys was x. Meaning boys is equals to 20. Then girls, kuna mwenye anasema 30. Girls is equals to 2 times x. 2 times x. What is the value of x? X ni ngapi? X ni ngapi? So you take 2 multiply by 20. Unapata ngapi? Unapata ngapi? 40. So how many girls are there? So we have 40 girls. We have 40 girls. 40 girls and 20 boys. Hapa walikuwa wanauliza girls. Hawajauliza boys. Another example. So let us read. There are yes. Let us read. There are yes, how many oranges are there in the basket? So we say oranges. How many oranges? How many oranges? Why? How many bananas? How many bananas? 3y. Then total? Total? 12 we have. We have 12. Let us form an equation. We take y plus 3y is equals to 12. Y plus 3y is equals to 12. Y plus 3y. Tunapata 4y. Which is equals to 12. What is our next step? We simplify by doing what, Mohammed? By 4. By dividing by 4, not 3. You divide by 4 on both sides. You divide by 4 on both sides. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4. Tunapata na tunabaki na y. Y is equals to 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. Hiyo inaenda hapo mara 3. Tunabaki na 3. So y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. So unasema oranges are 3. Then bananas, how many bananas are there? How many bananas? How many bananas? You take 3 multiply by 3 multiply by the value of y, which is 3. Tunapata ngapi? Tunapata 9 bananas. Tunapata 9 y banana. 9 bananas. 9 bananas. But our answer was talking about what? How many oranges? How many oranges? So the answer is The answer is it 3 or 9? Abdul Rashid? I mean Abdul Karim? The answer is 3. The answer is 3. Our answer becomes 3. 3 oranges. 3 oranges.